Hi students, welcome to our maths class. In the previous class, we discussed some geometrical concepts like types of angles, vertically opposite angles, adjacent angles, etc. Today let us continue the same concept, geometrical concepts. Complementary angles. What is meant by complementary angles? Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. That is nothing but right angle. 90 degrees is also called as right angle, right? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. For example, I will consider like this. For example, I will take another ray here. So this is called 90 degrees. I will take this angle as x, this angle is y. Then we say that this is A, B, C, O. We say that x and y are said to be X and Y are said to be complementary. Complementary. That is, X plus Y is equal to 90 degrees. Sum of two angles is 90. Then we say that they are said to be complementary angles. Is that clear? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. Okay. For example, we will see some more problems here. Find complement of 35 degrees. Second, 2 by 3 of 90 degrees. First one you look at here. First one solution. Complement of complementary angle of complement of 35 degrees is simple. From 90 you subtract, that's all. If you subtract 35 from 90, we will get 55 degrees. You try to understand here concept. For finding complementary angle of 35 degrees, just subtract given angle from 90. Then we will get 55. Because 35 plus 55, together how much you will get? 90 degrees. 35 plus 55 together 90 degrees. So they are said to be complementary angles. As I told you in the definition, two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. X and y are said to be complementary if x plus y equal to 90. For finding complement of 35 degrees, subtract 35 degrees from 90. So we will get 55. Second one, they asked 2 by 3 of. Of means I already told you multiplication into 90. So 3 ones, 3 30s. So I got here 60 degrees. Now complement of 60 degrees I must find. Complement of 60 degrees is 90 minus 60. How much you will get? 30 degrees. like that. Okay. For example, second question. Write the complement angle of of 45 degrees, second x degrees, third x minus 10 degrees, fourth 20 plus y degrees. So let us find out how to find the complementary angle for this. First one, complement of 45 degrees. Complement of 45 degrees. As I told you, to find the complementary angle of given angle, subtract given angle from 90. Complement of 45 is 90 minus 45. If you subtract this, we will get 45 degrees. Now 45 plus 45 together we will get 90. As the definition says, two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. 90 degrees is also called as right angle. 180 degrees is called as straight angle. 360 degrees is called as complete angle. Okay, try to understand those. Second one, complement of x degrees is 90 minus x degrees. Is it not? Given angle is x degrees here, so we have to remove that x from 90. So it cannot be simplified because it is constant and it is variable. So this is the final answer, 90 minus x. Okay, let us see third one. Third one says, complement of x minus 10 degrees is 90 minus of x minus 10. As I told you, to get the complementary angle of given angle, that given angle should be subtracted from 90. So you can simplify this. 90 before bracket, if there is negative symbol, what should you do? We have to change the symbols inside the bracket. So minus x, minus into minus, plus 10 degrees. You try to understand here. 90 minus x, minus into minus, plus 10 degrees. Before bracket, if there is minus symbol, we have to change the inside symbols. Okay. 90 plus 10 we can add now. 100 degrees minus x. So required answer is 100 minus x. Similarly, complement of fourth question, 20 plus y is, from 90 you should subtract this. Always remember that to get the complementary angle of given angle, you have to subtract the given angle from 90 degrees, right? 90 minus 20, minus into plus, minus y. 90 minus 20, 70 minus y. Before bracket, if there is negative, you have to change the inside symbol. So plus 20 becomes minus 20, plus y becomes minus y. 90 minus 20 we can subtract because they are constant. 70 minus y. That is the final answer. Okay. So complementary angle means the sum of two angles must be 90 degrees, right? Next question. Find the complement angle of first question, 1 by 2 of 60 degrees. Second, 1 by 5 of 160 degrees. Third, 2 by 5 of 70 degrees. One by 6 of 90 degrees. Let us find this. First question. 1 by 2 half means what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Half means multiplication 60 degrees. So 2 ones, 2 30s. So 30 degrees is the given angle. For this given angle I must find complement. So how do you find complement? Complement of 30 degrees is 90 minus 30 equal to 60. Because 60 plus 30 becomes 90 degrees. They are said to be complementary angles, right? Second question. 1 by 5 half means multiplication 160. So 5 ones, 5 3s are 15. So 1 will be there, 5 2s. So 32 degrees. Now I must find complementary angle for this. So complement of 32 degrees is 90 minus 32 equal to 10 minus 2 8, 8 minus 3 5. So 58 degrees. Now if you want to calculate 58 plus 32 becomes 90, right? Third, 2 by 5 half means multiplication 70. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours, 28 degrees. So complement of 28 degrees is 90 minus 28 to 62. Now 62 plus 28 makes 90 degrees, right? You can verify also. 1 by 6 half means multiplication 90. Can you cancel this? 6 ones, 6 5s, 15 degrees. So find out complement of 15 degrees. Complement of 15 degrees is 90 minus 15, 75. Right? That is the way you have to calculate. Clear? One more I will say. Fourth question. Two complementary angles are in the ratio . Two complementary angles are in the ratio . 7:8. Find the angles. Find the angles. What are the complementary angles? Right? So two complementary angles are in the ratio. What is given here? Ratio of complementary angles. Ratio of complementary angles. I have 7:8. Okay. Ratio of complementary angles is 7:8. I want to find the angles. Let the angles be, I'll take like this, 7x and 8x. Just remove the ratio. 7x, 8x I am taking. We have, since these two angles are complementary, their sum is how much? 90 degrees. Clear? since they are complementary angles, as I told you earlier, two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. So 7x plus 8x becomes 15x equal to 90. So I want to find x from here. 90, 15 is in the multiplication this side. Transpose to RHS side, it becomes divided. So 15 6 are. So x value how much we have? 6. Now I want to calculate 7x. 7 into what is the value of x here? 6. 42 degrees. And the second one is 8x. 8 into x 6. 48. See together 42, 48 together how much? 90 degrees. Therefore, the required angles are 42 and 48. Whenever we are given the ratio like this, you can take it as x, 7x and 8x. If you find the ratio xx cancel, 7:8 only will remain. There is nothing wrong here. So, since they are complementary angles, sum of two complementary angles is 90 degrees. So, calculate and substitute. That's all. Hope it is clear. Fifth one. The measures of two complementary angles. The measures of two complementary angles. The measures of two complementary angles are 2x minus 7 and x plus 4. Find x. Find x. What is given here? We are given two complementary angles. Measures of two complementary angles. Complementary angles are. What are the complementary angles here? 2x minus 7 and x plus 4. As per the question, they are complementary angles. We have the definition. We have complementary angles means what did I tell you? Sum of angles must be equal to 90 degrees. So 2x minus 7 plus x plus 4 equal to 90 degrees. We are given two complementary angles. When do we say angles are complementary? If their sum is 90 degrees. Complementary angles means sum of two angles must be 90 degrees. So 2x plus 1x will be 3x and 7 minus 4. Two different symbols are there. Subtract and write big value symbol. Minus 3 equal to 90. Now 3x equal to 90. Minus 3 I am shifting that side, it becomes plus 3. So 3x equal to 90 plus 3, 93. So x equal to 93. This is in the multiplication. I am transposing that side, it becomes divided by 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 ones. So 31 degree. Therefore, what is the value of x here? 31 degrees. Is that clear? So that is the way we have to calculate. This is the concept of complementary angles, right? Let us continue the another type of angle, that is supplementary angles, in the next class. Thank you.